Hello student. Last period I am discussed factors affecting corrosion, and I am discussed the first factor, position of metals in electrochemical series. Then today I am discussing second factor affecting corrosion is the purity of metal. Impure metals corrode rapidly, but pure metals hardly corrode. Ordinary technical metals always contain some impurities, hence they corrode all the time. This is because formation of heterogeneity at the interfaces of the metal and environment. Due to heterogeneity, there is formation of number of tiny galvanic cells where metal having lower standard reduction potential becomes anodic and corrodes. Here, pure metals corrode hardly and impure metals corrode rapidly. You remember that pure metals corrode hardly and impure metals corrode rapidly. Then first we see the diagram. Corrosion of zinc metal with copper impurity in presence of moisture. In the diagram, corrosion of zinc in contact with copper impurity in presence of moisture. Here zinc metal sheet and black dot is the copper impurity, and around the copper impurity this is the corroded zinc. Then it is well known that in the dilute sulfuric acid or in the hydrochloric acid, pure zinc has no action. No hydrogen gas is evolved. This is because zinc ions begins to pass into the solution. They get hydrated and form a thin film of positively charged ions around the zinc metal. This prevents the hydrogen ion to come in contact with zinc and to receive the electrons from it. If zinc is touched by copper or platinum wire or liter copper sulfate is added to the acid solution, the zinc copper couple is formed and hydrogen gas is rapidly evolved from the surface of the copper or platinum electrons. From zinc pass to the copper or platinum and accepted by hydrogen ions. Thus hydrogen gas is evolved and zinc goes into the solution as a zinc ions. Let us consider zinc metal sheet. Here in the diagram I am showing you zinc metal sheet with copper impurities in presence of moisture. Here zinc becomes anodic and corrodes around the impurity. Copper. Thus, if impurities present in technical metals are less active than metal itself, they promote corrosion. Further, metals having lower standard reduction potential than hydrogen go themselves into the solution as ions anodic area and cationic with the OH minus ions, forming their hydroxide with evolution of hydrogen from solution. At least active metal impurities, that is the cationic area. If technical metal sheet contains impurity with lower standard reduction potential we studied in the electrochemical series. Lower standard electron potential elements are more active, metals are more active than itself. It also promotes the corrosion. Here impurity becomes anodic and corrodes through same mechanism, that is metal sheet of iron with aluminum impurity. Here metal sheet is the iron sheet act as a cathode and aluminum impurity is the anodic in nature, and here corroded aluminum. This is the diagram of iron metal sheet with aluminum impurity. First is the corrosion of zinc in contact with the copper impurity in presence of moisture, and second one is the iron metal sheet with aluminum impurity. Then aluminum becomes anodic as it is more active and corrodes, means aluminum having lower standard reduction potential value, therefore aluminum is the more active and corrodes. The rate and extent of corrosion depends on exposure and percentage of impurity. Means corrosion rate depends how much metal is exposure and how much impurity is present in this metal. Therefore, the rate and extent of corrosion depends on exposure and percentage of impurity. Increase in the exposure and percentage of impurity increase in the rate and extent of corrosion. Means rate of corrosion depends upon exposure and percentage of impurity present in the metal. This is the purity of the metal. Again, you remember that impure metals corrode rapidly, but pure metals corrode hardly. This is the second factor affecting the corrosion, that is the purity of the metal. Then third one is the effect of moisture. This is the third factor affecting the corrosion, is the effect of moisture. Metal in presence of moist air corrode very rapidly. Then you know that moisture is also called as the humidity. Therefore, effect of humidity or effect of moisture on metal. In metallurgy, the relative humidity above which the corrosion rate of metal increases rapidly is called as the critical humidity of the metal at given condition. Then humidity is commonly expressed in percentage. Humidity is commonly expressed in percentage. If the percentage of moisture in the atmosphere is very low, means below 50%, the surface of metal remains dry. Humidity below 50%, then metal remains dry. When relative humidity is less than the 50%, a film of water is not formed at normal temperature. At this condition, iron will not corrode, as there is no medium to form a galvanic cell. When relative moisture is about 50 to 80%, in case of iron, a fine rust, that FeOH thrice, means ferric ions, is formed. This rust will not spread over the surface, and so corrosion is not very severe. It is presumed that rust contains adsorption water in its fine gaps and prevents complete film formation. Here, percentage about 50 to 80% mild corrosion is occur, and this rust is not continuous. When percentage of moisture increases to about 80% or above 80%, all the gaps are completely filled with water, and overflow of water forms a complete film all over the metal surface, and corrosion takes place very rapidly. Means above 80%, corrosion takes place very rapidly. In presence of oxygen, initial product is FeOH twice, and this FeOH twice is oxidized to FeOH thrice. Then these two reactions we studied in last periods. It is then changed to Fe2O3, which is called as the red dust. This rust on the surface of iron does not protect it from further corrosion, as the rust layer is very loose and brittle, and it adheres to the surface of the metal weakly. Therefore, further corrosion is avoided. Thus, percentage of moisture in air is an important factor which determines the severeness of the corrosion. Therefore, I am showing you effect of relative humidity or percentage of moisture in air on corrosion. You see the chart, that is below 50%, percentage of humidity is the below 50%. Then what is the effect? No corrosion. Below 50%, no corrosion, and thin film of water is the not formed on the metal surface. Then second one is the if humidity percentage about 50 to 80%, then mild corrosion occur. Then this corrosion is the not continuous. And third one is the percentage of humidity is above 80%. This is the severe corrosion, means moisture is above 80% is present or humidity is above 80% is present, then their metal undergoes severe corrosion, and this corrosion is the continuous corrosion. Therefore, effect of moisture or corrosion explained in the percentage. Here note that corrosion of metallic surface is rapid in moist atmosphere because the atmospheric gases like which gases is present in atmosphere, H2S, O2, CO2, etc. And these gases dissolve into the water and form an electrolyte. This is the effect of electrochemical corrosion cell. Therefore, this is the effect of humidity or effect of moisture on metal, and effect we again study purity of the metal. Thank you for listening.